In today's video, I'm going to teach you connecting Replit to Cursor on a Windows device. By the end, you'll understand how this works and what to expect, because the entire process primarily revolves around establishing a secure SSH connection. SSH, or Secure Shell, is the standard way to connect one machine to another safely over the internet. In this case, it lets Cursor reach your Replit workspace remotely so you can browse files, edit code, and run commands as if everything were local. Think of SSH as a locked tunnel between your Windows device and your Replit environment. The lock and key are important here. SSH relies on a key pair to verify your identity. The public key is safe to share and gets associated with your Replit workspace. The private key stays on your Windows device and should never be exposed. When Cursor connects, it presents the private key to prove you're allowed in, and Replit checks that it matches the public key on file. Along with keys, the connection needs a few details that Replit provides, like the host address, the port, and a username for the remote environment. Cursor uses those to dial into the correct place. Once the secure tunnel is established, Cursor can open folders, index your project, and give you a terminal that actually runs in the Replit environment. That means your commands, scripts, and tools execute where your app lives, which keeps everything consistent and avoids works on my machine issues. A couple of best practices will make this smooth and secure. Keep your private key in a safe location on Windows, typically the standard SSH directory, and protect it with a passphrase. When you first connect, SSH may ask you to confirm a host fingerprint. This is a security check that helps prevent impersonation. It's normal to accept a fingerprint the first time if you trust the source. If your connection ever fails with a timeout, it's usually a network or firewall issue. If you see permission errors, it often points to a key mismatch or the wrong public key on the remote side. Once connected, Cursor will feel just like working locally, but backed by the power of Replit's runtime. You'll be able to navigate your project, run builds and tests, and collaborate without constantly downloading or uploading files. The key idea is simple. Get the SSH trust set up correctly, and everything else clicks into place. That's the heart of connecting Replit to Cursor on a Windows device, using SSH to create a secure, reliable bridge for your development workflow.